Have you ever wondered how to compile C++ code to run in a web browser? It sounds tricky, right? Well, today we are diving into the world of compiling C++ to JavaScript using tools like Emscripten and LLVM. I totally get it. The idea of compiling C++ to JavaScript can feel overwhelming, especially when the tools seem scattered and not straightforward. You're not alone in feeling this way. Many developers face similar challenges. Let's take a closer look at the question at hand. One user asked how to compile C++ to JavaScript in a browser, mentioning Emscripten and LLVM, but feeling like something was missing in the process. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what makes compiling C++ to JavaScript so challenging? The process involves multiple steps and tools, and if any part of the chain is not set up correctly, it can lead to confusion. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a community resource that might just be the missing piece you need. To begin compiling C++ to JavaScript in a browser, the user should first install Emscripten. This tool is essential for converting C and C++ code into JavaScript. Once Emscripten is installed, the user needs to set up the environment. This involves running a command to activate the Emscripten environment in the terminal. Next, the user should compile their C++ code using Emscripten. This can be done with a simple command that specifies the input file and the output format. After compiling, the user can run the resulting JavaScript in a browser. They should create an HTML file that includes the generated JavaScript. Finally, the user can open the HTML file in a web browser to see their C++ code running as JavaScript. This completes the process of compiling C++ to JavaScript in a browser. Fun fact, did you know that Emscripten is often referred to as the Swiss Army knife for compiling C and C++ to JavaScript? It's versatile, but it can be a bit tricky to master. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. And don't forget about JSCPP. While it may not have all the features yet, it's a community effort that could be the stepping stone you need. Check it out for more insights. And there you have it. Compiling C++ to JavaScript can be simplified with the right approach. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy coding! An alternative approach to compiling C++ to JavaScript in a browser involves using a self-hosting version of Emscripten, like Inception. This allows you to run Emscripten directly in the browser. Another option is to run a C++ compiler or even an entire operating system using an x86 emulator in JavaScript, such as v86.